Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to give lecture homogenization. Homogenization. This is a very important concept. See here, the combined equation to the pair of lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve and the line. The curve and the line. Here, whatever they are given curve, the curve is non-homogeneous. By using the line, the non-homogeneous equation convert into homogeneous equation. That is the homogenization. Now, here observe the diagram, then you will understand. So this is coordinate system. Okay. Now, draw the pair of line, draw the curve. First I am drawing that pair of lines. This is one line, this is another line. Okay. Now the curve is like this. This is the curve. The curve is, we can say that either circle or ellipse or hyperbola, whatever may be. Now draw the line. This is the point of intersection of line and curve. These are. So this is O, this is A, this is B. So this is red color curve is non-homogeneous equation. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And blue color is lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. There is a line. The combined equation to the pair of lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of curve and the line. So these green color lines are form a homogeneous equation. First observe here, what is the pair of line? X square plus 2hxy plus by square plus here up to here observe that the degree is 2. Next term onwards 2gx, here degree is 1, 2fy, here degree is 1, plus c, here degree is 0. This is non-homogeneous equation. So non-homogeneous equation we want to homogenize with the help of straight line, that is lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Lx plus my, that is equal to minus n. Lx plus my divide on both sides with minus n, that is equal to 1. Here 2gx 2fy, what is the degree? Only 1. We need degree 2, that's why right here into 1 plus c, here degree is 0, we need degree 2, that's why I write 1 square. In place of 1, substitute this value. The non-homogeneous equation is going to homogeneous equation. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy into 1 means what? That is lx plus my divided by minus n plus c into lx plus my divided by minus n whole square. Do the simplification, you will get completely the non-homogeneous equation is going to change to homogeneous equation. Already here is there. After that, after converting the non-homogeneous equation into homogeneous equation. They will ask the questions angle between the pair of lines. This is angle between the pair of lines. How to find? We know the formula. Cos theta is equal to mod A plus B by under root A minus B whole square plus 4h square. If A plus B value is 0, then we will say that angle between pair of lines 90 degrees. Those conditions already we know that. How we are homogenizing the non-homogeneous equation with the help of line. That is the important here. Okay, students, right? Here one more important point is that second point. This is a shortcut formula. The condition that the pair of lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 to be perpendicular. This is shortcut formula. N square into a plus b minus 2n into lg plus mf plus c into l square plus m square is equal to 0. This is shortcut formula. If you don't know shortcut formula, then how to do that? First convert into homogeneous equation. Non-homogeneous equation, we are converted into homogeneous equation. Observe that coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square value, that means a plus b value, equal to 0 means the pair of line, angle between pair of line is 90 degrees. Not equal to 0 means use the formula cos theta mod a plus b by under root a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Then you will get the angle between the lines. Okay, all of you understood, students? This concept already you know very well in IP. Same like that in objective also. Here, one straight line given. First of all, what is a straight line? Y is equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to x plus 3. This is, we can write y minus x is equal to 3. Y minus x divided by 3 is equal to 1. So this is the equation 1. And pair of line, what they are given? Pair of line 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 1. This is non-homogeneous equation. So now we want to homogenize with the help of equation. Here constant is there. There we can write 1 square. Or suppose x is there, there we can write 1. Okay. Now in place of 1, write that y minus x by 3 whole square. By observing the options, I am writing. First take 2 common, x square plus y square. Negative terms in right hand side, y minus x whole square or x minus y whole square. Both are same or not? But denominator 3 square 9. Take cross multiplication. 18 into x square plus y square, that is equal to either x minus y whole square or y minus x whole square. Both are same. By observing the options, I am calculated. So we got the answer. This is which option correct, students? Third option correct. A pair of perpendicular straight lines passes through origin and also point of intersection of the curve with the line, the set containing the value of a. Here, first of all, one curve given, one straight line given. we need to do homogenizing. First, take the line x plus y is equal to a. This is x plus y divided by a is equal to 1. Now, curve observe here, x square plus y square, that is equal to 4. Constant. In place of constant, what we can write 1 square or not? X square plus y square, that is equal to 4 into what is 1? X plus y by a. Homogenizing the curve x square plus y square is equal to 4 with the help of x plus y is equal to a. So now we get like this. Take the LCM. So denominator a square, send right hand side. A square into x square plus y square minus 4 into x plus y whole square means what? X square plus 2xy plus y square, that is equal to 0. Already given here, the pair of lines are perpendicular. Pair of lines are perpendicular, already given in the question. So what is the condition, students? Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, that is equal to 0. This is a formula now. So now observe that coefficient of x square terms, x square coefficient is a square here, minus 4 plus y square coefficient is a square, here y square coefficient after multiplication minus 4, that is equal to 0. So a square, 2a square, 2a square is equal to 8, a square is equal to 4, a is equal to plus or minus 2. Finally, a value we got minus 2 comma 2. Which option correct, students? First option. This is a very easy question, but remember it, the pair of perpendicular straight lines given means what is the condition? Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. Now 59th question. Angle between the pair of straight lines formed by joining the points of intersection of x square plus y square is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3x plus c to the origin is a right angle. Then find c square value. Find c square value. First take the line y is equal to 3x plus c. Now this is, we can write y minus 3x is equal to c, and c send left hand side, we get y minus 3x by c is equal to 1, and x square plus y square is equal to 4 into 1 square, x square plus y square, that is equal to 4 into 1 square means, right, that y minus 3x by c whole square. Now c square send right hand side, left hand side, c square into x square plus y square minus 4 into y minus 3x whole square, y square minus 6xy plus 9x square is equal to 0. Already given angle between the pair of line is right angle. So what is the condition? Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, that is equal to 0. What is coefficient of x square? Observe here, c square, here also is there x square, 9 into minus 4 minus 36 plus coefficient of x square is completed. Now coefficient of y square, c square minus 4 is equal to 0. 2c square is equal to 40. Then what is c square value, students? 20. They are asking only c square value. C square value is 20. Which option correct? First option correct. Students, this is level 2 related problem. Okay, 18th question. See the question what they are given. Here also they are given angle between pair of lines is 90 degrees. Then find the relation between A and B. A and B. So take the pair of line first, homogenizing the non-homogeneous equation with the help of straight line. 5x square plus 5y square plus here 5bx degree is 1. We can write 5bx into 1 plus 5by, sorry, 5ay. Ay, here degree is 1, need one more. 9ab, this is the constant. In place of constant, we want to write 1 square now. What is 1? This is x by a plus y by b. Substitute 5x square plus 5y square plus 5bx into 1. 1 means x by a plus y by b plus 5ay into x by a plus y by b minus 9ab into 1 square x by a plus y by b whole square equal to 0. Here angle between pair of lines is 90 degrees given. Then what is the condition? Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, that is equal to 0. Right? What is coefficient of x square? Here one term is there 5. After multiplying these two, then you will get coefficient x square, that is 5b by a. After expanding this x by a plus y by b whole square, we get x square by a square or not? Minus 9ab into 1 by a square. These are the x square coefficients. Similarly, y square coefficient, here 1, multiply these two, we get 5a by b minus 9ab into 1 by b square, that is equal to 0. Now students calculate here 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5b by a minus here a cancel 9b by a 5a by b minus 9a by b, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. 10 here 5b by a minus 9b by a, that is minus 4b by a minus 4a by b is equal to 0. So take LCM, we get 10ab minus 4b square minus 4a square divided by ab, that is sent to right hand side. Finally, write in this particular order. So I am writing here, take minus common, 4ab, sorry, 4a square minus 10ab plus 4b square. Students, split into factors. Split into factors. What we get? 4 4s are 16 now. 10 I am writing minus 8ab minus 2ab. 8 2s are 16 or not? 4b square. First two terms, take 4a common. A minus 2b. Here, minus 2b common. We get a minus 2b is equal to 0. Finally, a minus 2b into 4a minus 2b is equal to 0. So therefore, we get the answer. One is a is equal to b. Another one is 2a is equal to b. In this equation, 2 is going to cancel. So finally we got answer is a is equal to b and b is equal to 2a. Which option correct, students? Second option correct. Students, all of you understood now?